general meeting here at the Parkley General Meeting. Today,
Talaga ba?
Lahat ng mga nagdaan. So, sa inyong topic, lagyan po.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Panglang Vista Sweets deliver.
To everyone here.
now let's enjoy the music. Like a flower baby in the breeze.
Pinangga, Chari.
This employee, palagi dati malilit. Absent. Jason Hala.
Contributing to the operations of our history establishment. She will also receive a Liza Tejano, and she will also receive a certificate of commendation.
Okay, up next is for the 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Very much on behalf of Sir David
So let it be, for this never easy to say goodbye to someone who had the work you do and your heart that Mr. Sweets, thank you for the theme, thank you for everything.
Batch 1 from JH followed by
Lakman na.